Hi friends, Suzanne here. Welcome to another Monday Megs video on my YouTube channel and blog. For today's project, I am featuring the bundle called Paper Tags. And this is a really nice sort of a birthday card. I am using one of my favorite colors, Berry Burst. And the sentiment says, "May your day be filled with sunshine and laughter." And I mean, that's not even just a birthday wish, that's an everyday wish for me. So I am stamping on a piece of basic white, just regular stamping weight paper. And I inked that stamp up very, very well so that I would get great coverage, because you want a nice strong coverage here with this particular stamp. Now I have some washi tape, not Stampin' Up, but I'm just going to put this die through my cut and emboss machine, which is just off screen. I'm not going to move it, so I will show you the sandwich, and then boop, I'm just going to go run that through the machine, and nothing shifted, everything was fine. So this is a piece of timeless plaid. It's 6x6 pattern paper, and it is size 4 1/8 by 5 3/8. This is my card base. It's basic white thick card base, so it's not the thin stuff. I don't normally stamp on this, but this is a card. It's a thicker card stock for a actual base. So I think I could have went a little smaller with the like I could have went 4 by 5 1/4, but I didn't. Anyway, here is that piece, the negative piece that I cut out, and I just wanted to show the plaid in between. I really like that. So I used dimensionals, and you can see there's a little heart right up in the right corner there. I will be putting a mini Stampin' Dimensional on that one. Oh, and by the way, do you like my new nails? I've switched from acrylic to gel. New nail lady and everything. What do you think? They're pretty. I'm obsessed with them. First time ever. I used to use acrylics, and now I'm using gel, and they're so shiny, and I got her to put a little sparkle on them. I absolutely love them. Anyway, so if anybody's still using the acrylic nails, I would encourage you to go gel. Anyway, here I put that heart in the center there, and I'll do something fun with that in a second. I'm putting just dry adhesive on, or like my snail, gosh, that's forever ago, Seal Plus on the top right and the bottom right, and I put dimensionals on the middle left.
2 hours later.
And you know, it takes me a while getting those bows happening, so that's what happened. I am using a glue dot here, and of course this ribbon that I was showcasing is no longer available, and I didn't know that by the time I was making this, so sorry. There is another one similar in the new mini catalog coming out in a couple of days. So and it's gold, actually, it's not iridescent. So anyway, just pretend that yeah, I'm not using a retired product. Anyway, here's the Wink of Stella, and like I said, I'm going to zhuzh that little heart up. So it has a mini Stampin' Dimensional underneath, and I just liked something on that plaid. I think it went really nicely. So I'm going in with, let's see here, these are called Charming Shimmer Faceted Dots, and I'm only going to use 2. So you can see all the supplies I used today listed below in the video See More section on YouTube, or in the supplies section of my blog, and those fast links are going to take you to my Canadian online store, where I would love to meet you and earn your business. So thank you so much for spending time with me today, for all the comments you leave, for the thumbs up, and all the YouTubey things. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider it. It really helps my small channel grow. Thanks again for watching, and bye for now.